guys, what is up? I'm here with a RAM Pro upgrade video. This is my 2006 Mac Pro. We're going to upgrade the RAM to 16 gigabytes today. I got this RAM really cheap on eBay, so I'm really excited about this. Here we go. So Mac Pro 2006 1.1.1. So open the Mac Pro, really easy. Flip the switch, and boom, off comes the door to the Mac Pro. Scotty, don't touch that. And the RAM is kept on these riser cards. So we're gonna do them one at a time. So I'm currently only running at about 4 gigabytes of RAM. I really should put something under this riser card. I'm gonna open them all up. Take out the pre-existing RAM. It's not gonna be needed anymore after today. Hang on a sec, guys. I need scissors. Cut this open. Very well done on the packaging. I will say that is really gross. Scissors. Well, here is a Samsung 2 gigabyte stick. Yep, 2 gigabytes. So there's a notch on either side. You just gotta line it up. There is a correct way and a wrong way to insert RAM. All you have to do, snap it on the board. And I've opened all these up, so it should be pretty straightforward. And if you've never installed RAM before, don't be afraid, guys. This is the easiest upgrade, hardware-wise, you can do on a computer. So that's one riser card. So 4 gigs now. Or no, I'm sorry, 4, 8. So that's 8 gigabytes of RAM right there. And that alone would be a serious upgrade. But I got 4 more gigabytes. Or 8 more gigabytes. Why do I keep saying 4? We're doing 16 gigs. Okay. Pull out the bottom riser. Now this bottom riser came with, I think, 1 gigabyte sticks? I can't really tell because I don't see where it's marked on here. Oh, 2 gigabytes. So it came with 2 more gigabyte sticks, so it should have been a total of 8 gigs. However, these 2 did not work, so I'm just going to put those off to the side because those RAM modules don't work. I'm going to make sure I open all of these up. Just like before. Line it up. Snap it in, make sure everyone's open here. Next, stick a RAM. Just for the sake of time, I'm just going to open it all up. And one more stick. Oh, RAM. Now this RAM's a little different because it's got built-in heat sinks, which are smaller than the original ones, but I don't know if that's going to make any difference or not. But that's it. That's all I need to do inside today. There we go. Boom. Let's go fire this thing up, see if she boots. God, I hope she boots. Okay, so I haven't even looked at it. All I've done is I plugged in the Mac Pro. We got a bong, which is awesome. That's always a good sign after you do a hardware upgrade. Let's go ahead and find out if it is detecting all 16 gigabytes. So we're going to go to About This Mac. Hey, we are done. That is awesome. 16 gigabytes of 667 MHz DDR2FB DIMM. So let's go to more info. And let's go to memory. 2 gigabytes in every slot. That is awesome. That is a very successful RAM upgrade. This computer is now running 16 gigabytes of RAM. I was previously running 4. This is awesome. That's it for this video, guys. I just wanted to show you just how easy a RAM upgrade can be. Don't be afraid to upgrade your RAM, guys. It's the easiest thing in the world. I will see you guys in the next video. I'm out of here. Peace.